Hi, are you ready to study?
Yes, I'm ready.
What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock.
What subject are you studying?
I'm studying math.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like it.
Is it difficult for you?
Sometimes, yes.
What about English?
I like English more.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some homework.
Is it a lot?
Not too much.
When is your test?
On Monday.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Do you want help with math?
Yes, please.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Do you need a notebook?
No, I have one.
How many pages do you need to read?
Around 10 pages.
What's your favorite subject?
I like science.
Do you like history?
Not really.
Why not?
It's a bit boring.
Do you come to the library often?
Yes, twice a week.
Is it quiet enough here?
Yes, it's perfect.
Do you want to take a short break?
Yes, good idea.
How long do you want to study today?
About 2 hours.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Do you want a snack?
No, I'm okay.
Do you like studying in the morning?
Yes, I feel fresh in the morning.
Do you prefer to study alone?
No, I like studying with you.
What book are you reading?
It's a math workbook.
Is the book easy?
Not really.
Do you need a calculator?
Yes, I forgot mine.
Should we study English next?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Do you know the answers to this quiz?
I think so.
Can you explain this to me?
Sure, let me help you.
What time will you go home?
Around 4 p.m.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
Can you focus well today?
Yes, I feel focused.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept early.
Do you have a test tomorrow?
No, it's next week.
What do you think of this library?
It's clean and quiet.
Do you want to study here again?
Yes, definitely.
What topic are you on now?
I'm doing algebra.
Is it hard?
A bit tricky.
Do you want to study together again?
Yes, I'd like that.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Is your chair comfortable?
Yes, it's fine.
Is it too cold in here?
No, it's just right.
Did you bring your notes?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Are they helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Can you lend me your ruler?
Sure, here you go.
Do you want to take notes together?
That sounds good.
How many chapters are left?
Only 2 chapters.
Will you finish today?
I hope so.
Did you understand the last topic?
Yes, I understood it well.
Can you test me with questions?
Of course, I'll ask you now.
Is your phone on silent?
Yes, I turned it off.
Do you use your phone while studying?
No, I try not to.
Do you want to listen to soft music?
No, I prefer silence.
Are you using flashcards?
Yes, they help a lot.
Do you take breaks often?
Every 30 minutes.
What do you do during breaks?
I drink water and stretch.
Do you write summaries?
Yes, for each chapter.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Are you feeling sleepy?
No, I'm okay.
Should we review what we studied?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Are you ready for more questions?
Yes, ask me more.
Can you spell this word?
Yes, let me try.
Did you understand the homework?
Yes, it was easy.
Are you using highlighters?
Yes, they help me see key points.
Do you draw diagrams?
Sometimes when it helps.
How do you remember facts?
I use flashcards and notes.
Do you like group study?
Yes, I learn better that way.
Do you want to go over this together?
Yes, let's do that.
Is your test multiple choice?
Yes, mostly.
How many questions are on the test?
About 20.
Do you study every day?
I try to, even for a short time.
What time do you usually study?
In the evening.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I always do.
Are your notes neat?
Not always, but I can read them.
Do you share notes with friends?
Yes, when they need help.
What's your biggest study challenge?
I get distracted easily.
How do you stay focused?
I turn off my phone.
Do you use any apps for studying?
Yes, I use a timer app.
How do you prepare for exams?
I review and do practice questions.
Do you read aloud when studying?
Sometimes it helps me remember.
Do you prefer typing or writing?
I prefer writing by hand.
What helps you learn best?
Reading and writing together.
Do you ever study outside?
Sometimes in the park.
What's your least favorite subject?
Probably history.
Do you enjoy group projects?
Yes, if the group works well.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you study on weekends?
Yes, especially before exams.
What motivates you to study?
My future goals.
Are you happy with your progress?
Yes, I think I'm improving.
Do you think you'll pass the test?
Yes, I studied hard.
Do you want to be a teacher someday?
Maybe I like helping others.
Do your parents help you study?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially fiction.
Are you learning anything new today?
Yes, I learned new formulas.
Do you want to keep studying tomorrow?
Yes, let's plan for it.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, when it's interesting.
Are you ready to go now?
Yes, let's pack up.
Did you have a good study session?
Yes, it was very productive.